Now use this tool, arc tool. For example, see, like this or this, anywhere you can do. Okay, and if you press and hold shift, see, it's like this. And if you use this one, up arrow and down arrow, see, it will change the position like this. Okay, then apply an outline like black. You can increase. Okay, then you can make duplicate for this one like this. If you right click, you can see the transform and reflect, and you can reflect like this. Then again you can select. Now from here you can start like this or this, whatever you want, like this. So, okay, then press and hold alt and make duplicate like this. Then right click, transform, reflect, see. Okay, again select this. See, then press and hold alt and right click, transform, reflect. See, if you select all of them, go to object, path, join. See, now this is one shape. Okay, then if you want to fill with color, you can, or with gradient also. So outline, stroke, outline style also you can change.